Hi, I'm Rupali Datta. I'm a clinical nutritionist. Let's talk about eggs. Very recently, there was a study conducted in America where they talked about how an excessive consumption of eggs actually increase the risk of heart diseases. Eggs, as we all know, are a rich source of cholesterol. The normal standard given is that you take less than 300 milligrams of cholesterol a day through your diet to protect yourself against the risk of getting heart diseases. If you're already a heart patient with high cholesterol levels, then keeping it as low as possible is beneficial for your health. One egg gives us somewhere between 180 to 200 milligrams of cholesterol, all of which is present in the yolk of the egg. So what do? Do we eat eggs? Do we not eat eggs? Well, for most of us, where our meals are primarily vegetarian, we eat dals and whole dals and vegetables and whole grains through the day. Having that one egg a day may not be a problem if your cholesterols are fine, if your weight is fine, if you're not a hypertensive, you're not a diabetic, then having one egg a day as a part of a primarily vegetarian diet is not a problem. Those of us that are voracious non-vegetarian eaters, we want to start our day with an egg and then have chicken and mutton, you need to go easy. So stick to 3 to 4 eggs a week, not all on the same day, but one a day. So this kind of a balance, and then balance it out with healthy habits like exercising regularly, having a lot of fiber in whole grains, filling up half your plate with vegetables, having those 2 whole fruits a day. A combination of good healthy habits will protect you against a risk of heart diseases. As far as eggs are concerned, I think the consensus right now is 3 to 4 eggs a week for adults is perfectly safe, and you can have it in any way that you want to, so long as you're not adding too much of butter and oil into it. So from a boiled egg to a masala omelette to a poached egg, whatever it is that you enjoy, go ahead and have those eggs daily. This is Rupali Datta signing off.